is the deck that I start framing today. It's a deck around the pool. Yeah. So I'm coming. This is it right here. All the progress for the day. Wonderful. You see? It's a pool, you see? And this all here is where I put the stake. This is going to be a platform. So I'm just planting all the posts. You see? Don't dig the hole, put cement in the post. So tomorrow I gotta strengthen it up and put up some more support. Then I start doing start laying the board on the platform. So this is what it's looking like right at this moment. Yeah. This is it right there. Start shaping up already. So by tomorrow, if no rain, you're gonna see more progress. All right.